Bonafide Hustler here, and in this vlog we're gonna do some thrifting, some general stuff, and I want to take you guys along with me. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my house, and it is quite the mess because somebody is moving in. You can take a guess down below. Who's moving into this house? Let me know. There's also a new addition to the Bonafide household. This is Cosmo. Say hi, Cosmo. What are you doing? Hey, hey, no. Hey, what are you doing? You stop it. Crazy little kitten. Yeah, got that 5 weeks ago, 6 weeks ago. I got that thing like a while back. Anyway, it's kind of crazy. Kittens are a lot of work. But anyway, we're gonna be doing some thrifting today and maybe tomorrow and the next day. Maybe I can roll this vlog into a couple other things. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler. And yeah, it should be a fun vlog. Definitely heading to Central Austin today to sell this helmet right here. This was, I think, $6 at a Goodwill about 2 weeks ago. Should sell for around 70 or 80. I can't remember what I asked, but it's gonna be a local sale. In this box right here, we also have a, what do we have in here? We have an Orvis Bat and Kill bag. So it's like a rolling bag, and there's the label on it. It's about 22 inches diagonal, whatever. This thing is basically a rolling bag. It's pretty cool. I'll flash a picture on the screen. The cat's going crazy. And this was bought for, I think, $5.99 or maybe $7.99. Sold for $119. $20 of shipping. Get off my box. Get off. What are you doing? You stop it. I feel like I have a lot to do today. Yeah, I have to go drop this package off, sell a helmet eventually down the road, go thrifting, hopefully with a friend, have a client call like midday, which means I've got to do it away from the house because traffic in Austin is really bad. So, just a lot of things, a lot of things. Then I got to go to Costco. Oh my gosh. Ugh, Costco. Yeah, so, if you have a day that's a little hectic or a little bit more on the hectic side, one step at a time. Let's go. One step at a time. Now my day's getting just a little bit better. One step at a time. Let's go thrifting. Whoosh. We're at Goodwill. My friend just pulled up. Let's go say hi.
Hey.
You're on the vlog.
Oh, sweet.
Yep. This is Jess right here. She's been on, what, 3 vlogs maybe?
Yeah.
Like 3 vlogs or so. Today we're gonna go thrifting for a little bit. Don't know what we're gonna find. I mean, these Goodwills are getting high priced these days, right?
They are getting hype these days. That's where Savers is where it's at.
There's only like one Savers in this town now.
A chair for $13.99 at Savers.
You got a chair for $13.99.
Yes, a beautiful chair.
Okay,
Vintage,
cool.
Legit vintage.
Very cool. So yeah, who knows what we're gonna find today? Maybe something interesting, maybe nothing. You never know. What are you on the hunt for today?
I'm on the hunt for a queen platform bed.
Okay.
And some wall art. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
I'm gonna hunt for anything that makes me money.
I need one of those vibrating plates.
You need a vibrating plate?
Yes. You know, it goes like this.
Okay. I guess I'll be on the lookout. So much footwear. Nothing really good though. Some Vast Gore-Tex boots, but these aren't that great. It's a good brand. You just don't want those. So I'm not finding anything here. We're gonna go to another Goodwill and then, yeah, see what we can find there.
Flip the look.
Okay.
The project is to somebody buy the entire living room. Somebody who doesn't want to have to deal with thrifting and piecing together modern pieces with vintage pieces. I'll just rotate the living room look. So my goal is to sell the whole thing and then start over again.
So we're at Jess's new place, or secondary place, and she's trying to decorate it with thrifted items.
Your cactus from your front yard.
That's my cactus from my front yard. Look at that. So yeah, she's decorating her place, and then she's gonna sell the look. And the entire look was thrifted. So this is her place. Cool. Ooh, I like that thing. Nice.
Yeah, this was a room service vintage.
That looks good. Mm-hmm. So you're getting all this together. Okay, cool. I like it. The kitchen's like a little, it's like an efficiency almost.
It's 500 square feet.
Okay. Oh, nice little poster.
Texas film legacy over
Nice.
100 years.
Okay.
Thrifted.
I like
I
it.
sent you that picture when it was thrifted. And I got it. Oaxaca bathroom.
Oh, nice. Oaxaca inspired bathroom. Love it. With pictures that Jess took.
That's the indigo and the yarn. And this is why I need a bed, and this is the project.
This is the project. Oh, this is the $10 bike I helped you find.
$10 bike. That's.
We found this last weekend on Nextdoor. I told Jess about it. She's like, I want it. So I sent her to go get it. But this originally would be something that I would buy for 10 bucks and I would flip it for like 300 based on the color. This thing is in really nice condition. It says
Yeah, don't you think it's just new cables?
it just needs grease in the cables. I think it's fine. I don't think it needs
some rust.
Yeah, but this is a really good find actually.
Yeah.
Wow.
Thank you.
Look at this thing you're standing on.
I found this at Room Service Vintage.
This is awesome. And then this is like a little
This mirror, you helped me. Didn't you help me get this mirror?
you got this at a garage sale, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Did
yeah.
I get this for the roller skating garage?
Yeah.
Before I fractured my wrist?
Yep. This is a mirror she got at a garage sale. This is a cool little bed
This is
throw
new.
sham thing.
This is Jungalow.
I like that.
Yeah.
So wait, you want to get a frame for this bed?
I want a platform bed,
Okay.
I think.
Got
Or
it.
headboard.
So you're looking for this. You're gonna spend weeks looking for this thing, right?
We're gonna find it today.
No, we're not. It's gonna be so hard to find.
We can go to Assistant Sleep.
Yeah, we can go check out. Let's go look at some more thrift stores. But I kind of see your place is cool. I know what you're working with now.
Thanks for visiting.
I think you need something here.
This is where I want the art. Oh, I do want to look at this though. This is amazing. I got this today. This is called Yucca Moon and the Cosmic Mama.
I like it.
It's so me. It's so you too. I mean, you wouldn't have a naked woman in your house. Well, I mean, your girl. Never mind. You get what I'm saying.
Oh yeah,
So
that's
we
pretty
can have
nice.
coffee.
Yeah, this looks good. I like it.
Oh, look, look.
Little tiki-ish inspired Star Wars stuff. Okay. Didn't you say you're gonna do a tiki theme something? Sort of?
Yeah.
Like the whole
Oh, look, this is kind of tiki. This is considered tiki.
a little bit. The print
This is-
maybe not
this
so.
This is 100% tiki.
Well, the frame is. I don't know about the print.
That whole look is totally tiki. This rattan and the hibiscus.
Jess's place is coming around pretty nicely. I like the fact that she's thrifting everything here. She wants to sell the look eventually, which is totally cool because she loves thrifting, and so do I. But yeah, it's just neat that she's gonna build a look and then take a picture of the entire look, then sell the look, and then re-thrift the whole thing over again. It's kind of crazy. At the Assistance League of Austin. It's a thrift store that usually opens on Wednesdays, stay open until maybe Saturdays or something like that. I just realized there's a really rare car sitting outside. Who knows what that car is? Comment down below. Is it rare or not? Comment down below again. It is rare, but do you know what kind of car that is? It's a pretty cool Polo Ralph Lauren winter-inspired sweater. I don't know. That's pretty interesting. I wonder how much it is. 29. I think that's a little high. I don't know. Oh yeah, you have to wear a mask in this store. One of the very last ones that you have to do this in Austin, but it's okay. What'd you find? Anything yet?
I did. I got a sake set, but I kind of want the octopus.
Okay.
Yeah, I got a sake set for $6. 7-piece sake. You'll see.
Okay.
Set of 7.
That's cool. Little sake set. It's nice. Oh, 6. I like it. That's pretty.
Isn't that pretty?
Yep.
Let me do the Momo salmon. Oh, and a big video.
Enjoy. Cool. So we're here at Taco Deli. I didn't actually buy that Ralph Lauren thing at the other thrift store. We actually went to a Goodwill where I didn't find anything on top of that thrift store. Here at Taco Deli, trying some good stuff. It's something that we haven't done this in a while, right? Months. It's been a lot. It's been a while since probably the last video that she's been on my channel. So if we want more Jess, first of all, comment down below more Jess. But yeah, we're getting these tacos done, and then we're gonna go see every 2 or 3 more thrift stores as I progress central to sell eventually that helmet later on the day, probably 2 hours from now. So yeah.
Nom nom.
Is it eating time?
Nom nom.
Nom nom time?
Nom.
All right, let's go. I'm doing it. All right, so we're at the last Goodwill for today at least, and you know, we'll see if I can find anything here. I try not to get pressured with buying and reselling stuff if there's nothing present, but you're on a mission to find just stuff.
A headboard, art.
So for her, it's like she can find all kinds of cool stuff at these Goodwills. I'm real careful when I put money to resellable goods. I just want to make sure they flip pretty quick, you know?
No, I'm gonna resell. There's a mission.
There's an eventual mission. I usually find these at garage sales for like $1 or $2. Sell them in the booth for like 50 or so. This is an old Samsonite. $10. I mean, it's cool looking.
Ooh.
It's in good condition too. Yep. She's got good taste. It's all good.
This could just be Samsonite.
Yeah.
It could just be a little stash
Oh,
box.
Samsonite.
This could be a little
What?
stash box.
Stash box? What are you stashing?
You could, trinkets.
So all the stuff that goes to your next garage sale, basically, you're gonna stash in here?
Oh yes, here.
Oh, the places we will go.
Oh, the place.
It's kind of funny. We joke about that, but there's literally the places we will go.
I
A little
mean,
sign
I'm
right
sorry.
there.
If I walked in here with this, can this be an overnight bag?
I mean, I guess.
No. Moving on.
We're gonna ask her boyfriend Jess if that would be an overnight bag, Jess. She's definitely on the hunt. She's hunting. All right, so from the shoe wall, I found these Timberland boots. They're just really well built. I'm just gonna take a stab on them. They happen to be my size too, so if I get stuck with them, it's not the end of the world, but I like them a lot. Very tough, very cool. Gonna get those for sure. They're 20 bucks. Probably would resell for like 80 to 100. And then I found these Chacos right here. No delamination, men's 11 with the toe loop, which is cool. So these are $8.99 total buy. Probably will sell these for around 60 to 70 bucks. Those are awesome. Look at the bottom of these too, in perfect condition. All right, this thing is super crazy that I found in this little jacket section. Look at this thing, right? It's actually suede leather. It's really nice. It's super awesome. I might end up getting it. I'm gonna show it to Jess. She'll probably flip out, of course. 25 bucks. Probably sell it for around 200 in my booth. Honestly, it's that interesting looking. All right, so Jess saw this jacket right here. She likes it. She thinks it's a men's jacket actually, which I don't know. It's kind of hard to say at this point. And then you got this thing called Back to Eden.
Back to Eden, the classic guide to herbal medicine, natural foods, and home remedies. Pregnancy, how do you remedy that? I don't know, I'm in Texas.
Whoa, fainting.
Fainting, felons, fermentation.
I know some goats that would like really want to know about
heartburn.
that fainting thing.
Gas, also see heartburn. Flooding, oh.
Oh, excessive menstrual flow. Okay. I guess the book is good.
Oh, it's kind of expensive, it's $8.
$8 for that book?
Yeah.
Why?
But I mean, I am an herbalist.
Yes, you are.
Now that you've said.
She's definitely into holistic
Oh,
stuff and
look,
all that
look,
kind of
look,
stuff. Your boyfriend will love this thing.
Deep breathing exercises.
Is your boyfriend into like this kind of stuff?
Uh-huh.
Okay. All right, so I'm sitting at this Goodwill and we have...
Chaz.
That's right.
Side Hustle Network.
Side Hustle Network. Oh, I've actually heard that a million times.
Just popped in here. We're moving down to San Antonio actually.
Okay.
So we're just in town for a few nights.
Yeah, he found me in this Goodwill. He's like, I wonder what, if you see Bonafide today or something?
Literally walking in here in Austin. I've never been to Austin before. My first thought was, I wonder if by chance I'm going to meet Chris one of these days. And finally.
I know, well, it's kind of crazy, right? Well, I'm actually about to be at a coffee shop pretty soon that's close to here. That's why I come to this one a lot, but yeah. Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, you too.
So, Side Hustle Network, right?
Yep.
Cool, you can find them on Instagram. There you go. We're here at Cosmic Coffee in South Austin. And this is where I'm selling actually this thing right here, which is a Smith helmet. It's a pretty cool helmet, actually. It's got the MIPS interior with little sliding little brain mesh. Anyway, it's a pretty cool helmet. Nothing crazy. Well, I would say nothing crazy. This thing was like $6 and it should sell for 70. I should probably check the price of what I listed this thing at. But anyway, I like to come here a lot to do work. So I figure take the helmet down here, thrift with Jess, that kind of stuff's going through my head. Plus, I'm going to help a client out on a little video call. And that stuff is more towards my other Instagram, my other YouTube things that I work on, called Boddam, B-O-D-D-A-M-N. And there we work on fitness stuff, mind-related things, things like that. Just like that. 30-second transaction. I'm gonna go in here and prep for that call. But yeah, local hustling is great. It's been really good lately. When I get to the house, I'll kind of let you in on some of the things that I have sold recently that are super awesome. And yeah, local hustling has been really, really good lately. So I emphasize a lot on that, more so than eBay. So yeah, still fun. Back at the Bonafide Hustler garage. It's actually the Bahdam garage, but I'm gonna show you a couple things that are pretty cool here. You know, I've picked these things up in the past, I don't know, month or so. And these are really neat things. So first of all, here's a $40 bike that I ride all the time. So guys and gals out there, you know, staying fit means sometimes you have to keep the hustles, you know, until you get bored of them. So this one's a $40 bike. I put some new grips on it, nothing crazy. Shifts perfectly. It's got a 1x drivetrain as well, so it's like super not complicated at all. Came with these tires and everything, 40 bucks, and it rides perfect, right? And I could sell this thing for around $250 when I'm done with it. So I'll probably be done with it in maybe a year or two, we'll see. I always try to upgrade slowly from something like this. But that is a really good bike. But here's something really cool that I found on Facebook Marketplace. This is a Fat Tire Ale 2014, I wanna say, maybe 2012 Fat Tire Cruiser. So these you can't buy in the open market unless you go to eBay. They're given to the New Belgium Brewery workers. They all get one a year. So these bikes have been made for the past 20 years. There have been 3 or 4 different contracted companies that will make the bike each year. So some of the years it's Electra, some of the years it's Felt, some of it's Detroit, and some of it's even been Schwinn. So 4 companies have been contracted by New Belgium to make their signature yearly bike, right? So this is a 2012 one. The most desirable one is, well, this one's pretty desirable, but there's also, I think maybe a 2014 one's pretty desirable as well. But either way, this was $100 on Facebook Marketplace. Really cool bike, super awesome looking, and it probably has resale value of around $500 to $600. When I bought this bike, the guy was like, hey, I have another bike, you just want it? You need some work. Carbon fiber Cannondale Rush medium frame with a carbon fiber lefty fork on there. The lefty fork is bleeding a little bit. 650B tires for all you mountain bikers out there. You probably know what I'm talking about. This is a really cool bike, honestly. It's got SLX brakes, carbon fiber main triangle, aluminum rear triangle, and just an all-around crazy deal for free, all right, free. So that bike has resale of around, to me, $1,300 to $1,400. I turned down a $1,200 offer on it like last week or something like that. I am asking like $2 grand. So I did list it, and you know, I'll probably take like $1,600, $1,500, something like that. But yeah, I turned down a $1,200 offer for a free bike. Pretty cool. Not every day you get a cool free bike like that. And then about a month and a half ago on, I think, Nextdoor app, someone said free Scatante road bike. Now, I haven't worked on this one yet, but I'll probably end up riding this one for a little bit. But yeah, free road bike, carbon fiber fork, everything, awesome shifters, and just aluminum frame, carbon fork, just really cool. So it just goes to show you, you gotta be fast, and sometimes really good things end up on local avenues, especially when they're lower priced or they're free. They will go within minutes, and you have to be willing to drop everything in your day to get stuff like that. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I will take you along with the next one. Hopefully Jess will be with us or something like that. But if you did enjoy it, put a comment down below, hit me with a like button, and I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler video. Take it easy. Goodbye.